our negative emotion is, I think, so powerful. So in order to challenge that, we need, I think, the constant effort. Through that way, yes, definitely we can change. My, you see, Western friends, they have question or they request the quickest and easiest and most effective. Then perhaps another question, cheapest.
Happiness not depend on drug or alcohol or money, but real way of thinking. This is the ultimate source of happiness, joyfulness. Everybody wants happiness, do not want suffering. So this conviction automatically prevent harming others. They also, like me, do not want suffering. Individual people's survival depend on the community. One individual, no matter how powerful, just remain one individual, cannot survive. All religion teach us love, forgiveness, tolerance. And then today, among 7 billion human beings, about 1 billion non-believer. These are also human brothers, sisters. So they also, you see, need human love. Not necessarily pray to God or pray to Buddha. Buddha, you see, cannot remove the human being's suffering by his hand. Nor Buddha cannot wash the negative emotion of human being or sentient being. Nor, you see, he give us his own inner peace. No, nothing. Only thing is, he show some method how to bring inner peace according to his own experiences.
Your Holiness say that you are free from suffering?
Oh, certainly not. Lot of suffering. And currently, you see some suffering here. Voice, coughing. That also a kind of suffering.